Anyone up for some carnival games? Why wait for the carnival to come to town when you can bring the carnival to your toy box? Hey builders, Daniel here, and you guessed it, the Carnival Play Pack is here. Build your fully customizable 2-in-1 skee-ball and basketball game. It takes skill, accuracy, and a bit of luck to score the highest. Are you up for the challenge? Let's play some games. Let's see what's included. We've got 4 boards to make our carnival, 2 basketballs, 3 skee balls, and 2 springs. Let me show you how to assemble your carnival. Start by carefully punching out all the wooden pieces. Don't forget to pop out the holes. Now, let's assemble our boards. Notice all the pieces are labeled with letters. Use the letters to match the pieces together. Start by connecting the side and back pieces to the base. Attach the top board, and then add the other side board to hold it all together. Now, let's make the front half of the carnival. As before, connect the pieces together with the matching letters. When adding this board, make sure the arrows point forward. Then, attach the last side piece. The base of your carnival is ready to go. Now, let's add some printed pieces. Start by adding the return ramp. Flip your carnival over and slide the return splitter into place, making sure to line up the holes. Attach a return catcher to each side. Next, add the launch ramp. Place it on the board and attach it with the pins. Next, let's assemble the skee-ball launcher. Place the launcher rotator onto the launcher handle and place a spring between them. Put the launcher base on top of the handle and then place it on the board. Use 2 pins to attach it to the board. Attach the game board using the hinge clips and board handle. Let's make a custom banner in the creator space. Click custom banner to get started. Here you can draw your own banner, type your own words, and create a custom design unique to your carnival. When you're done, pick a color, name it, and print your banner. Simply attach it to the top. We have multiple fun games you can play on your carnival. Let's start with Skeeball. Print your pieces and then attach them to the game board, as shown here. Grab a ball and get to scoring. Now, let me show you how to attach the basketball game. Print all your pieces and then assemble your hoop. Attach the backboard to the holder and then attach the basket. Place it on top of your carnival. To play the basketball game, you'll need to remove the skee-ball launcher and add the basketball base. Attach the base with pins and add the launcher. You're ready to shoot some hoops. What's your high score? Did you rise to the challenge with your Carnival Play Pack? Don't forget there's even more fun games to try.